la la. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain. La 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 la. Give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Welcome back. करण अर्जुन की प्ले टू सेट वीडियो सीरीज में आपका स्वागत है, जहां पे आप सभी गानों की कॉर्ड्स आसानी से सीख सकते हैं। आज हम जो गाना लेने वाले हैं उसका नाम है गिव मी सम सनशाइन। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द सॉन्ग इज इन द की ऑफ सी। द कॉर्ड्स आर सी, एफ, जी। Let's begin with the strumming pattern for the intro. The strumming pattern for the intro is down, 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 up, meet me down. For the first part. The second part is something like this. So let's do the first part of the strumming. It goes like this. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, meet me down. Down, 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 up, meet me down. The second part of the strumming goes like this. The second part of the strumming will always be played on the last lines. You will see that when we play it slowly. Let's begin with the intro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play the intro slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. The strumming pattern for the verse is down, down, up, up, down, down. Let's play this slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down, down. For the last lines of the verse, you'll play down, up, down, up. You'll see that when I'm playing the verse. Let's begin with the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Saari umrr ke jeene, la 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 la. Jeene do, saari umrr ke jeene, la 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 la. Let's play the verse slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Saari umrr ke jeene, la 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 la. Jeene do, la 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 la. Umrr ke jeene, la 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 la. Jeene do. The strumming pattern for the pre-chorus is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, Let's play this together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Let's begin with the pre-chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Na 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 na. Let's play the pre-chorus slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Na 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 na. The strumming pattern for the chorus is the same as that of the pre-chorus, but you can play down up in the middles, which I will show you in the chorus. Let's begin with the chorus. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la. Give me some sunshine. Give me some rain. La 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 la. Give me some rain. Give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Let's play the chorus slowly. 1, 2, 3. Na 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 na. Give me some sunshine. Give me some rain. Give me another chance. La 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 la. Give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. और नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकॉन को दबाना ना भूलें। हम आपसे फिर मिलेंगे एक और वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, प्ले इट योरसेल्फ।